Hi bestie! Guess what? It is a Vlogmas week 1 and today we're starting it off strong because look at where we are. We're at Disneyland. Me and my boyfriend came here for the 5th time together for our 4-year anniversary. We're definitely starting December off strong. Let's go! Just kidding, I'll see you inside. Bro, we literally just came into the park and look at who we're seeing. Mickey Mouse is right there. He's right there. I need him. I want him.
You really don't care about Mickey Mouse anymore.
Guys, Goofy's literally right there. Oh my god. Bro, like literally the look that we're having, we're barely walking in and we already saw Mickey and Goofy. I wonder how many like counts of cast members we're gonna be able to get. Oh my god, look at how beautiful. Everything's Christmas. Okay, first things first, I kind of want to go into the stores and see if there's anything that I like. Guys, look at all of this. Literally look at these ears. I would not get them because I just feel like I wouldn't use them enough, but they're so cute. Wait, these are adorable. I love them. These are the ears I have on currently. Wait, I feel like these are so cute. I'm like a little candy cane queen. These are adorable. I kind of want to get them. What shall I do? My fate, I'm obsessed. I feel like I look beautiful, perfect, and amazing. So comment that down below. Guys, I'm in a predicament because we just walked into the first store and look at the ears that I found. The onesie? I feel like I need them in my life immediately. These are also really cute, but I just know I would never use them. So also excuses of videography. Really bad. My boyfriend's filming me.
Our new favorite.
Guys, it literally has a Santa hat. That's literally so perfect. I don't know if, should I get them? Should you get them? Look at these ears. These are so cute too. And then I also found thank you. I also found these, which I feel like would be so cute for like a basic outfit type of day. Guys, look at what we just found. Tell me this isn't the cutest thing ever. It's so cute. Like imagine us putting like all our little like photos or anything for like our relationship. That would be adorable. The only bad thing is it's a notebook. It's literally a notebook. Like it's not like an actual like picture thing. Where my boyfriend's from. Want a cookie? And then they have this one that's like what I'm looking for, but it's not as cute. Like I wouldn't want that as the frame. Now we're looking for socks because my feet are starting to hurt and I brought like thickish socks, but I feel like I just need like one more pair so I'm like really comfortable. Because there's these that are so cute. There's these that are so cute and like I would wear them besides today, but I feel like I'm gonna die in these. Like I'm gonna be sweating. I don't know what to do. There's also like these, which I'm kind of wearing right now. They're just minor Baby Yoda, but I feel like they're just too thin. Like I feel like I'd end up feeling like the same, so I don't know. We also found the same vibe, but in these. Which one are cuter?
These are way more festive.
Oh, but these are like fluffy. But I mean, they're the same material from the inside. Like, does it matter?
Like these are gonna be hot.
I feel like these are the same.
It's honestly, these are softer, better quality, I'd say.
Are they more expensive?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, but only by $6, so I think you're good.
They're 36?
35.
Okay, well you're buying it. He stopped laughing real quick. Okay guys, we just got my new socks and I just put one on my foot. They are the thickest thing ever. Like I almost knocked myself out. I might actually pass away, but at the same time, I'd rather be more hot than my foot actually breaking in half. Thank you. Like,
these are crazy fluffy.
they're so fluffy.
Yeah, spread that shit apart. Andrea doesn't say bad words in Disneyland.
Oh, can you help again? They're so tight. They like made my foot grow like 3 inches.
That's so tight?
No, it's good. First adventure is Adventureland. I was telling my boyfriend how I've been to Disneyland definitely over 10 times now. Every time I come, I forget where everything is. I forget all the rides, so it's always like a brand new experience for me because I literally forget everything. Finally getting some food. We're at the something palace, the pink place. At the first thing we got some penne pasta with Alfredo sauce. I want a little taste. Sorry. No sauce. Scrumptious.
Very good.
Let's try the breadstick. It's like seasoned. I grew up eating that. Every time I used to come to Disneyland, I would only eat this or the turkey leg.
Or the what?
The turkey leg. We just ate because someone was hungry and he was starting to get annoying. We ate and now we are waiting on the ride. The wait times are actually not bad. I don't know if it's because of the parade or the day we came on, but they're not terrible.
Scanners detecting more trouble in Sector 9. The evil Emperor's...
Me and Buzz are excited. We literally did like 10 minutes on this line. We're already here. I love Disneyland. Who's beating who?
You answer that. You think you're winning?
I'm winning. What do you think? What do you think your score is gonna be?
5 million billion trillion.
I think
I'm gonna be at like 80,000.
I think I'm gonna get like 50,000.
150,000. Wow.
Afghanistan is boarded detention.
That's so embarrassing. That is so embarrassing.
I run this shit.
I got 4,000. 4,000. I got 4,000.
230,000.
Like, how am I that bad? I've never been good at it. Oh my goodness. I love Inside Out. I love snacks. We made it to Toontown right now, and they have it even cuter for the holidays. It's so adorable. Look at where we are. Bro, look at this. I didn't even know this was a thing.
What's yours? Don't you just love this Toontown? What's going on?
I love this movie.
That's really considerate.
I wish you sounded like that.
That's the big idea.
Imagine not saying I love you.
You sound like this.
Hey fellas, you're coming in here, no rule.
It's actually, the way you don't even fit through the door is crazy.
I know.
Bro, walk by? That's insane. My boyfriend and I were about to leave and it started snowing. This was the absolute most magical and romantic thing either of us have experienced together. And the fact that this was a little Disney trip for our 4-year anniversary, it just was so special. And I loved that Disney does this. And then guess what? I didn't film anymore. Sue me. No, if you guys only knew the amount of people that were there and the amount of time wasted for us trying to get a spot to see the fireworks and then being blocked off by trees. I still had an amazing time though. Promise my future vlogmases will be a lot better, but if you guys want more short-term content that's posted every single day, go follow my TikTok. But now on to basically everything you just saw, but in my TikTok version for vlogmas. Usually I wouldn't include this in this type of video because I'd rather you just go and see it on my TikTok, but I feel like I owe you guys. Besties, we're at Disneyland. Both me and my boyfriend are type of B, like we never have a plan, so we're quite literally just going with the flow. Guys, look at Mickey! All their Christmas December things are out and they're so cute. I want everything. Look at these ears. Oh my god, I am obsessed with these. These are also so cute, but I just know I would never ever use them. I really want these red ones. This is adorable. If you're ever wondering where to take pictures in Disneyland, come to where like the plushie section is. Like, look at how cute that is. Everything feels like extra magical this time. Going on our first ride and we only did a minute. My dream is to eat there one day. This is one of my favorite parts. I love that part right there. Cheers. So good. We also got chicken and mashed potatoes and our pasta. I grew up eating that. Stefano said the mash is really good.
Did you get gravy in it?
On one of my favorite rides. I'm so excited. What is happening yourself? Boyfriend thinks we're racing with the other couple. Damn, there's traffic. They get stuck? I think they got stuck. Wow. How gorgeous this looks. Throwing up after this. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up. How do you feel? Before Space Mountain, we feel good. Are you scared?
Super scared.
I'm actually kind of very scared. There is no way. What is this one? Star Wars?
Star Wars, yeah.
Now we're waiting for the fireworks. We have like a semi-good view. I'm also using some of the socks I bought as gloves. This is our view. It's not terrible, but like if those trees were just cut off, we would have a perfect view. Been waiting an hour and a half, and that's the view we got. Wow, gorgeous. That was the most surreal experience ever. Officially out, but that was a successful 4 years.